Car rental. Doodle videos.
Are you looking for a local, reliable, and affordable car rental service? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local car rental service, and customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Whether you're looking for a vehicle for one day or for a month, we can meet your car rental needs with our wide selection of rental cars, trucks, and SUVs. So contact one of our friendly staff now to get more information on your car rental and find out why hundreds of local customers come to us for all of their car rental needs.
You can have a video equal to or much better than this one for your business and increase your customers. Skyrocket your traffic, leads and sales with powerful Doodle videos. Drastically increase online traffic and click rates. Animated whiteboard videos have been shown to increase visitor and click-through rates over traditional marketing materials. Capture and keep viewer attention. Doodle animation videos retain subject attention by 15% more than a live narrative film. Passively grow your business. Doodle videos are 3x more likely to be shared and can increase referrals to your offers by 32%. No download or installation required. Click on the first link in the video description.